In this video, I'll guide you through how to add React components to your Webflow website. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, integrating React components into your Webflow site can significantly enhance your website's functionality and interactivity. So let's dive right in and explore how you can accomplish this with ease. First things first, head over to webflow.com. This is where you'll manage your website and add any new elements such as React components. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate the All Sites button. Clicking this will take you to a list of all the projects you've been working on. If you're managing multiple sites, this is a great way to keep everything organized and ensure you're working on the correct project. Next, select the site you want to enhance with a React component. Simply click on the site name to open it up. This will bring you to your site's dashboard. From here, you can make any changes or updates as needed. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen for an option labeled Add Element. Clicking this will open a menu with various elements you can add to your site. Now, within the Elements menu, there's a search bar. Type in code embed. This is a powerful feature in Webflow that allows you to insert custom code into your site. It's perfect for integrating React components because you can paste your components code directly into your Webflow page. However, it's important to note that using this feature requires an upgraded site plan. If you haven't upgraded your plan yet, you'll need to do so before proceeding. Once your site plan is upgraded, you'll have full access to the code embed feature. At this point, you can add your React component using code embed. Simply paste the React code into the designated area. Make sure your code is clean and free of errors to ensure everything functions as intended. This feature allows you to bring in highly interactive and dynamic components that can significantly enhance the user experience on your website. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully learned how to integrate React components into your Webflow site. By leveraging the power of React, you can create engaging, high-performance websites that stand out. Remember, while the process might seem a bit technical at first, taking it step by step makes it manageable. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to revisit these steps or consult Webflow's community forums for additional support. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and guides on how to make the most of your web development projects. Happy coding!